saying no isn't rude and it isn't selfish. It's actually a really big part of self-care, setting boundaries. And let me tell you, I've heard it all and I've said it all. Oh, man, they're going through so much. I can't say no. Oh, no, they've just gone through, they've just had a loss. I've got to be there for them. You can come up with a million reasons of why to be there. You have to help. You can't say no. You can't set boundaries. And I'm here to tell you that you will do that until you burn out, because I've done it before. And I've seen so many people come in and they're exhausted. They're burnt out. They don't even know they're burnt out. So this is just a reminder for you today that saying no and setting boundaries, even to your own children, even to your partner, even to the ones you love the most, that's the ones you actually got to set the biggest boundaries for, because those are the ones you want to give everything to. And so I just want to remind you, saying no is actually self-care and self-love.